Hey, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life. Ever want banana bread but don't want to make a whole loaf? I got you. We have a microwave 1 cup banana bread. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and take your mug, and we are going to cover it with butter wrapper. I just lined the cup with butter. You can use non-stick spray. Set it over to the side, and let's get your bowl. Let's go ahead and add in some sugar, and then go ahead and then next add in an egg. If you have a small egg, perfect. If not, that's okay. And then we are going to add in the banana. Now, it's end of life banana, the sweet ones, not the, it's got to be a banana you'll still want to eat. And then we're going to mash all of this together. Just quick, easy and delicious. And kind of get it all in a little bit of a slurry. And once we're done with that, you just want to check to make sure that the egg is all mixed in there and the banana is pretty well, not too lumpy. Don't forget the butter. I almost forgot the butter. So you're going to need to add that in. It needs to be a soft butter, and we just need to get it so it's not one big piece. So I'm going to work on here trying to make it into several little pieces. That way when it microwaves, it'll melt all evenly. Then we're going to take flour and baking powder, and we're going to mix those together. We don't need a lot. It's just like 2 tablespoons and a half a teaspoon of baking powder, I think. And then mix that in and stir it all together. And you don't want to do this. You might be thinking, oh, I should have just done this in the mug. No, because when it won't come out easily. It'll be stuck in there. So trust me, do this part in the bowl and then pour this into the mug. So once it's all mixed, just until you stir it until it's just mixed, let's go ahead and pour that into the mug. And we are going to microwave this. I know, trust me, it's going to sound really weird, but we're going to microwave it. And while it's microwaving it, you're going to notice that it's going to probably go above your cup. It'll settle down, so don't worry. Deep breaths. It'll do its thing. So we'll put this in the microwave. I have an 1100-watt microwave. You're supposed to set it for 3 minutes. At 2.5 minutes, I checked it, and it was done. Perfect. And I did take it out because I wanted to see what it looked like. It's kind of ugly, so I put it back in the cup because I'd rather eat it that way. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite mug cake is.